Welcome to the Edge Up Podcast, the show that helps you find your edge to level up your life.
Hey, how's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how I use the backtesting feature in Tradezella. So, as you can see, we're going to click on backtesting here on the left side of the column. Click a create session name. We're going to just call this October. It's first week of October. So we could just list that. We're going to be testing missed opportunities, missed ops, playbook. This is one thing that you guys should do before you even go to backtesting. Have your playbook here. I created another video on that one on how to actually create a playbook and what that entails. But for me, this one, it's just backtesting and how I'm using it for my current 4 edges. Handoff VWAP back into the range VWAP, bounce VWAPs, and then mid-range VWAPs. As far as futures, let's go big. Let's go ahead and create NQ and ES on the futures. We're going to start, just do this first week, just so you guys can get familiar with it. I don't think I could go past the 9th. Let's go with 20K. It's a reasonable amount, you know. And we'll go here. So first thing I like to do is I like to clean it up a bit. I only trade the 1-minute chart. That's all I need. So from here, we will go to, this is September 30th. And here we could adjust the time. So I like to adjust how many candles. So if I click here, I'll just press it. So if I click 2, for example, we are on the 1-minute chart. 1 minute up here as well. This is important is also another. So and just go forward here. I press play. It's going to take, it's only going about 2 times the speed. You can see the time move up here. So it's very, very slow. But watch when I adjust it to 10 times. All right, what's happening? I think I'm having a little error here. Let's go ahead and click NQ. There we go. So 10 times, look at how fast it moves. And then if you do it like maybe, let's just do 5 times. Show you it's a little slower, right? But let's go 10. Woohoo! Slower. Boom, boom, boom. You get the gist of it. So I like to do 10 times. So we're still on October 1st. We're trying to get to 3:30 because this is when the market opens. You could always adjust how many the time adjustment. So what I do when I'm fast forwarding during the day, I'll just click it 1 time and we're past an hour. If I go forward, if I go a little too forward, I could go backwards by clicking just jump to the specific candle and go here. 3:30. There's the open. So again, this is the way I trade. I'll set a VWAP here at the entry. I'll color that white because that is the color of my New York open. And I'll go ahead and just click it for the first 15 minutes, which is 3:45. And there we go. We have 3:45. And why I stopped there is because I set the open range now. The open range is within the first 15 minutes, where is the highest price goes and where's the lowest price goes. So here we go. We got 15, the first 15 minutes. This is the high. This is the low, all within the 3:30 hour. So I can adjust it just a little bit. That's how it looks like. It doesn't have to be perfect. Sometimes I'll draw it here like that. You know, it's a little off-centered, but just depend on you, man. Like you do you, right? Doesn't matter. So the next thing I'll do, got everything here. Yeah, this is it. So no trades yet. Let's see if any of my trades present itself. So we got the first trade. This is going to be a back into the range trade. What I'll do is I have this vertical line. And again, this is it's trading view essentially. It is using trading view. I'll favorite. So like this is the long short position, anchored view up. I favorite these positions. So every time you favor something, that is it'll appear in your favorite items inventory right here. So I only use really you know, these, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So I use 6. And yeah, you just set them. This is a mid-range entry. Going back to it, I adjust it as white. I also have this call out box. It's right here. If you're curious where I get that. Boom. And I have my templates. This is mid or mid-range. So for this one, I'm gonna do, whoa, what just happened? Let's refresh the data here. Also, you could adjust adjust the color. Again, it's just like trading view where you could adjust the colors if you want. Red and yellow, whatever you want to do, but I just leave it default. The less amount of things that I have to do as far as work goes with with trading, the better. So I'm gonna just take 3 minutes. We're gonna kind of push my limits here as far as real life goes. And that's what all about backtesting. You want to simulate what is possible. You want to simulate what what you can and can't do, what your plan can entail, what your edge entails, or can handle. So 3 is really pushing, well, not really pushing, it's kind of out of my comfort zone rather. So can I handle 3 contract size? We'll see. Usually I'm only trading 2 at the most. Let's push it a little bit. And backtesting, we could do that. It's not real money anyway. So this is how my mid-range trades would look like. We got a long there, short there, less than 3K loss. We got a 3K target. Let's see what happens. Boom. Nice win. That's a win. So now we're just going to keep going. And I mean, it kind of gets repetitive after this. This is, I got you guys set up, and then this is how I'll be trading like for until, you know, at least the first week of October, seeing what trades I missed, what opportunities I missed. I'll look back at my journal and I'm like, hey, did I take this trade? Probably. I would hope so. So this is another this is another opportunity. This is a back into range trade. That is gonna be, so I'm gonna collapse this. You could still see a little bit of the price there, but where is the color? There we go. Nope, that is a blue. I color coordinate every single of my edges or my entries, just so I know which type of entry I'm taking. Stop loss is going to be pretty far out there, 5K loss. That's the initial stop loss. You know, eventually when price moves or starts to going, I'll adjust it to see what levels is okay. So maybe 3 is kind of high. We'll want to stick to 2, but let's see what happens here. Still good there. Stop loss is still solid. Nice win there. That's a back into range. I'm only going to be trading till like 5:30, 6 o'clock. So we have another handoff that will raise. So that yellow VWAP, if I didn't say it earlier, is the handoff VWAP. As soon as it breaks out of the range, I need a new anchor. So here's another way to do it also. Fast forward a little bit faster if you're, you know, crunched on time. 50 minutes, we're on the 1 minute. So it'll just go 15-minute candle bars or 15 candle bars at once. Every click, boom. To me, there's no opportunities here. It's too far gone. Like if it's going, it's going to go. I'm not going to try to force this trade or try to get into it. So it looks like we're at 7 o'clock. Looks like I'm done here. So what I'll do, I'll create a note. So if I go notes, and I go, let's go ahead and click copy link. Go sticky notes too. Oh, let's just go notes. Boom. We'll go October 1st. We have a mid-range trade. Mid. That's a win. We have a back into range. That's a win. We got 2 trades. October, 2 trades. 1 win or 2 win. No idea. Did I click play? Was it going? Oh, it was going. It's constantly going. That's probably why. All right. So we're back at October 1st, and we got that screenshot there. If I need to go back and reference that null or like that day, I could just click on it and see like, okay, this is what I missed. This is what I'm seeing. Did I take these 2 trades? Should have. All right, I'm gonna close this. I have a bunch of like apps popping up. I clicked sticky notes on accident. So moving on. We are going on to the next day. So when I'm going on the next day, what I'll do is I'll remove all my drawings, right click, remove all drawings, and I'll go ahead and just fast forward this until the 3:30 the next day. So we got 258, should be 358, a little back. So we're gonna push this to 345. Boom. Where is 330? Boom. White. Then we're gonna set that as a high. We're gonna set that 342 as the low. Like I said, it could be off center. It doesn't matter as long as you got this range. These 3 key things: top, bottom, New York VWAP. You'll be able to trade just fine. Boop, boop. All right, so we got a handoff coming through to yellow. Wait, yep, there we go. That's a nice sell. We got a nice stop loss level, which is right there. The VWAP should be coming down into it or may come down into it. No guarantees. And we'll just see how long this one goes. Handoffs pay off the most versus as far as profit factor goes. If the price is going down, I'm trying to capture that move, that continued move, but it doesn't work all the time. Okay, there you go. So that one's a loss. Then we have a back into range play. Let's see what happens here. Oh, don't forget, I got to log this handoff. Then I'm gonna log this one as well. This is a back into range. Boom. All right, cool. So we got 2 plays here. We're gonna go long. Stop loss set there. We might dip into the negative territory if this one loses. So again, if I want to speed it up, go 5 bars. Looks like it might lose. We do. So we're minus 1600. That's all right. That's where at this point we could go to the notes. We could list. October 2. Handoff loss. Back into range. Yeah. I mean, all this minor capitalization, everything, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna delete these notes anyway. But you want to just try to be uniform as possible. It makes it a lot easier to go through and clean up. So I'm just doing micro stuff, you know. All right, so let's go ahead. We're still at the charts, 530. 530 would be the next. Okay, so we're out. We're not going to be trading this one. We're just going to copy the link. Go to notes. Boom. Now we are on Oct 4. I'm getting these pop-ups. Okay. Clear drawing. Go to 1 hour. Go to October 4. Boom. 3:30. Like I said, it's getting repetitive. It's getting a little more mundane. 3:40. Oh, bad gateway. But, you know, hopefully you guys understand the whole concept of what I was trying to get to. Backtesting is really easy. Once you're in that system, you know how to do it. That's it. I mean, it's a quick, short, simple video. I just want to show how I went through it. I went through 2 days. It's October 11th, so I got like at least a few more days to go. But I recommend doing this specific practice with your own edge, because this will help you get confident with your system, build edges if you don't have an edge, and then just the willingness to take the trades with heavier sizing position, see how it reflects on your real account size. The account size that I put in for 20K, you could actually manually put how much or what size account you want to do. So it works. Also, it shows all the data and everything. So unfortunately, it happened. It happens a lot with Tradezella. I think I could just like refresh it and probably go through. But this video is kind of just beating a dead horse. It's going to be repetitive, and I don't want to bore you guys. But yeah, hopefully I got the meat out, and hope you guys enjoyed this video and it brought some value to you guys. Take it easy.